Hi everybody. So today's topic is common isolates in the colon classification. So what are the common isolates in colon classification? Let us discuss. So first, what is an isolate? So let us discuss what is an isolate. An isolate is the an isolate in the colon classification. It's a fundamental and ultimate unit of knowledge. So how can we define an isolate? Means it is nothing but the ultimate unit of knowledge according in the colon classification, and it is a fundamental. And Dr. S.R. Ranganathan defined common isolates as an isolate idea denoted by the same isolated term represented by the same isolate number. So, according to Ranganathan, he defined common isolate as an idea. Isolate is nothing but an idea. This idea is denoted by the term, so this term is represented by the same isolate number. So it is nothing but a term or an idea which can be represented by the same number. So here, so there are kinds of common isolates. According to Ranganathan, he divided the common isolates into two categories and further subcategories. So broadly speaking, they are of two kinds: anteriorizing common isolates (ACIs) and posteriorizing common isolates (PCIs). So here we can say that common isolates are of two types broadly: anteriorizing and posteriorizing common isolates. And a clear distinction has also been made between these two types of categories like anteriorizing and posteriorizing common isolates. And ACIs, they are attached to class number without any connecting symbol, whereas posteriorizing common isolates are attached with a connecting symbol. So there is no connecting symbol to attach anteriorizing common isolates, whereas posteriorizing common isolates require connecting symbol. So these are the clear distinction. This is the clear distinction between anteriorizing common isolate as well as posteriorizing common isolate. And next one, so ACI. So what is anteriorizing common isolates are those isolates, they attach to the class numbers of the documents which require to be arranged anterior, which means front to the ordinary documents of the same subject. So these as isolates should be attached to the class numbers of the documents, and these are represented by lower case letters only. You need to remember, anteriorizing common isolates are should be represented only by lower case letters, and they do not require any connecting symbol. So no connecting symbol or any connecting symbol is necessary to attach anteriorizing common isolates. For example, here bibliography of chemistry, it is the title, bibliography of chemistry. The number for this is according to colon classification, capital E and small a. So if we can analyze these facets, what is E means here? He is chemistry, the basic subject for the basic subject chemistry here, and a small a is bibliography. So this is a small a is a bibliography is a common isolate, anteriorizing common isolate. So that's why here we are connecting these common isolate to basic class without any connecting symbol. Take for example, చూడండి ఇక్కడ E, capital E is the chemistry, the basic subject, and we are attaching anteriorizing common isolates, that is bibliography, without any connecting symbol. So that this is anteriorizing common isolate. And there are kinds of anteriorizing common isolates. So these isolates applicable before space facet. This is the first group. And anteriorizing common isolates applicable only after space facet. And anteriorizing common isolates applicable only after time facet. So these are three different kinds of anteriorizing common isolates. So first one, let us discuss anteriorizing common isolates applicable before space facet. So these can be applied anywhere after the basic class, but not after space and time. So these anteriorizing common isolates before space facet only can be applicable, but not after that space and time facets. For example, here take for example dictionary of physics. Here in this example, the basic subject here is capital C. Here is C is represented by physics and small k is represented as a dictionary according to Bolan classification. So this k is here anteriorizing common isolator. So the example for this is Indian Journal of Chemistry, another example, and chemistry represented as a capital E and journal is represented as a small m according to Bolan classification. And India, here India is known as a space, the space the number for India is 44. So this is 44 and here in this example this is the small m is anteriorizing common isolate of first kind, that is applicable before space. So this is the space. So we are connecting or we are attaching this anteriorizing common isolate to main class and before space only. 4 India is a 4 India is a space isolate. So we are connecting this symbol or this and common isolate before space. So this is first one, and coming to second one, anteriorizing common isolates which are applicable only after space facet. So after space only we can connect these anteriorizing common isolates. For example, here report of public libraries in Andhra Pradesh. In this example, according to Bolan classification, 2 is the basic subject for library science and 2 is for public libraries, and dot 4416 is known as Andhra Pradesh. This is space and small r is meant for report. So this is anterior r, here r is anteriorizing common isolate. We are attaching this isolate after space only. So after space r should be here. So this is it is a second group, and coming to anteriorizing common isolates applicable only after time. So these are applicable only after time facet and nowhere else. For example, here there is an example report of the Education Commission in India 1966. Here E is the basic subject for education and dot 44 is for India space isolate, and 1966 is the time. So this is represented as a cap N66 N66 and here T is this the report of the Education Commission. This is the anteriorizing common isolate we are connecting after time. So this is time, N66 is the time here 1966 and we are connecting this isolate after time. So these are three groups. And coming to next one, PCIs, posteriorizing common isolates. So these are to be preceded by connecting symbols while attaching to the host class. So as we earlier said that these common isolates require definitely connecting symbol. Connecting symbol should be there to connect these common isolates. So again they are of two kinds: energy posteriorizing common isolates and personality posteriorizing common isolates. So energy posteriorizing common isolates, they are to be preceded by a colon. A colon should be there, a connecting symbol should be there to connect or attach it to host class. For example, here take for example experiments in chemistry. Here chemistry we are taking capital E is for chemistry and colon should be there, and after colon we need to write F3. F3 is the number for experiments. So here F3 is regarded as a energy posteriorizing common isolates. That's why we are connecting colon here. We are putting colon and attaching to post class. This is energy posterizing common isolates. And coming to personality posterizing common isolates. So they should generally be added after space. After space only we need to connect these isolates, and these are to be preceded by comma. Comma should be there to attach it to post class. As this personality posterizing common isolate, the connecting symbol is for these isolates are comma. And for example, there is one example: history of Indian Library Association, founded in 1933. So here the basic subject is 2 library science, and 44 is here India. So that's why we put comma dot and 44 space and comma and G. Here G for association and comma 9N33V. So this is 1933, and V for history. History of Indian Library Association, founded in 1933. So here G, small g, which is represented comma G after space. This is personality posteriorizing common isolates. So these two are posteriorizing common isolates. And there are common isolates are in Poland classification 7th edition. These provided elaborate and extended schedules of common isolates, and the CC7 has allotted a double inverted comma as a new indicator digit for anteriorizing common isolate. In CC 7th edition, CC has allotted double inverted comma as the new indicator digit for anteriorizing common isolates, and the following types of common isolates are found in CC 7th edition also: anteriorizing common isolates and common personality isolates, common matter isolates and common energy isolates, space isolates and time isolates. These all are newly added in Poland classification 7th edition. So these are common isolates in Poland classification 7th edition.